And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, looking right now at the tropics, you can tell it's quite busy with now Hurricane Rafael. As it became a hurricane just a little bit ago, and this storm will be tracking all the way towards the U.S. And at this time, it does look like it'll be only maybe a tropical storm when it does approach land, which is good news as compared to what we had with the previous storms, Milton and with Helene. But the reason why this is the case for it to be much weaker is due to the fact that since it's November, the waters of the Atlantic are a bit cooler now. They're starting to cool off a bit after it was a record break, one of the hottest seasons on record, with the waters being quite hot. But as we head towards the winter, we start expecting it to get colder, and with that, this will be our saving grace with this system, as it will only be a tropical storm when it does make landfall. It looks to be probably later next Sunday into early next Monday as of right now, at least according to models. But again, that could largely change at this time. But looking ahead to tonight, temperatures will be dropping down to 56 by tomorrow morning. So a mild start to tomorrow with those clouds decreasing throughout the course of the night. So not too bad. And temperature-wise, looking at 51 to 59 degrees, so mild start to your day tomorrow, but note these are the 7 a.m. lows. So this is what you're going to wake up to tomorrow morning, because as we head throughout tomorrow, those temperatures will be dropping even further, thanks to the fact that we will be watching that cold front coming in during the early part of the day, and that will drop those temperatures down into the low 50s by the evening hours. So looking at some much cooler conditions coming in for us by then, and looking at those temperatures Wednesday afternoon, it made to tweak this a little bit, looking at temperatures from 49 to 55 for at least a 3-4 around 5 o'clock time frame for your Wednesday evening. So temperatures are already cooling down, so you may need a jacket later on in the day on Wednesday, as those temperatures will be falling quite a bit. But looking ahead to tonight, this is 1 a.m. tonight. Those clouds are already leaving us alone. They'll be leaving our area as we head into early Wednesday, and then maybe a few more clouds to open up the day on Wednesday. But we do expect it for most of these just to be lower level clouds, as they'll be coming in on the backside, that cold front, and that will continue throughout Wednesday, looking clear Wednesday evening as right now. And as we head into Thursday, expecting a picture perfect blue sky day, lots of sunshine, maybe a few clouds further out to our northwest, in our northwestern counties early on in the day on Thursday, but staying nice and dry. It's pretty sunny for your Thursday afternoon. For Friday itself, staying nice and dry, lots of sunshine expected for your area, and that'll continue into Saturday as those clouds do increase, watching our next chance of rain coming in here late Saturday evening into Sunday, and that'll continue throughout Sunday. And as of right now, Sunday looks to be the wettest of the 2 days. Rain and some storms likely on Sunday, and behind that front, looking at some nicer conditions for Monday and Tuesday, before yet again another system comes in here later next Wednesday into the next Thursday, which could bring in some rain and yet maybe a couple of thunderstorms as well. So between now and as we get closer towards the middle to the latter part of November, at least according to models, we'll be watching multiple systems coming through from the Rockies all the way towards our area, which is good news for alleviating this drought, as we do need the rainfall. And with this being the case, this is better news compared to what we dealt with in October, with constant rounds of some drought and barely any rainfall, even getting into the records here for October of 2024 with how dry it was. But November will look to be a much different story, with constant rounds of some showers and storms to actually nip that drought in the bud if we can, especially as we get towards the middle part of the month. But next few days, temperatures quite nice, 62 on Friday, 64 Saturday, late day storms into Sunday. Sunday looks pretty wet. Sunday, rain and storms likely, 66, 64 Monday, 68 on Tuesday, nice and mild. And then more storms likely late next Wednesday into Thursday, with some cooler temperatures to fall on Friday.